Hello, everyone. This is Midnight Linux, and I've been trying to record this couple of times, and I noticed that it was flickering. So this is my second attempt, and yesterday I had the same problem. So, OBS Studio, when I installed it natively with the Pac-Man, it just wasn't recording well. Um, so I decided that I'm gonna try this flatpak version of OBS. Let's see how it goes. This is my my second update for the long-term Garuda Mokka review. I have to say it's been very stable. Um, I've had it on almost 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I think I rebooted it a couple of times. One time I lost power, and the other time I rebooted it because I was doing an update, and then I rebooted it another time because I installed this flatpak for OBS. So let's start from the beginning. I installed everything natively with Pac-Man, but I had a few bugs, so I'm trying out a different approach to see if it will work. So my first bug was a simple LibreOffice. I don't know. It got fixed with an update, so I'm still on the native Pac-Man app for LibreOffice. The bug was that I always set my LibreOffice to have certain size fonts and also to save as a Word document. But when I went to save a document that I was working on, I just titled it and it had the right setting, but when I hit save, it ended up saving like a zip, and then I couldn't open it. It wasn't, so I couldn't, yeah, so it wasn't working. So I found a workaround for that, but then it got fixed on the update I did on Monday or Tuesday. So that has been fixed. But then I had another bug. For example, this one was with the Pac-Man celluloid uh, media player. So I installed celluloid from Pac-Man, and every time I would click a video, instead of opening it in celluloid, which is like a front end for MPV, it would not open it with celluloid. It would open it just with a regular old MPV. So I was still able to watch my videos, no problem. But I found it strange that celluloid wasn't working. Even though I did try to set it 2 times as the default just to make sure that it wasn't that. It, it wasn't that, apparently. So anyway, now I installed the flatpak version, and it seems to work now. So let's hope that the recording here with OBS, which I installed the flatpak version, will record this okay. Those are the bugs I've encountered so far. Not like a stability issue, but just regular bugs, software bugs. With the one from LibreOffice, the one from Celluloid, and the one from the OBS Studio. So let's see how this video comes out. It's been working, like I said, very well. As you can see, it's been 7 days. Very stable, so stability has not been a problem whatsoever. Also, let me show you. It's not using a lot of resources. Right now I'm running a OBS recording and a AI agent in the background, OpenClaw. So but I think when I first started, it's around 1.8 gigs around there. So it's not very resource intensive. It's not resource light either, I would say, compared to like an XFCE distro or something. But it's not very resource intensive either, especially when you consider that it's totally themed out, and it has all these animations and things. So not a bad distro for that, and the stability is there. It hasn't crashed or anything. I just hope that the recording comes out good. If it does not, I will. If you see flickering on this video, I guess what we're gonna do is maybe move on, because I don't know. Like, it's like I want to stay on this. This is like stable, and I already set up my all my things, so I kind of wanted to go through a few update cycles and stay on it. But ultimately, if I can't record, like for example, like yesterday's video, the OpenClaw, where I showed you how to install DaVinci Resolve and all that. That one I had to use my laptop, with a capture card, and it just obviously doesn't look as nice as if I use this computer, because this computer has a beefier graphic card and CPU than my laptop does. So you can see the difference in quality. But just to get that video recorded, because I really wanted you guys to see that installation of DaVinci Resolve with OpenClaw, that I just did it that way. But hopefully this one comes out well. I mean, if there's no flickering, I'm going to be happy and I'll stay on this distro. Now, if this video comes out with a lot of issues, we're going to have to maybe have to move on. Maybe I'll do one more. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes after we see this video. You guys will know. If you see a lot of flickering, maybe this will be the last one. Unfortunately, I really want to stay on this. It's stable, but like if I can't do any videos without it flickering, man, that'd be like, I can't do it. I can't stay on it, Otherwise, I'm gonna say I do like it. Garuda Mokka is very good, and it doesn't crash. It's stable, and everything else has been working pretty well. because I knew I need to make my videos on this. So yeah. Well, I guess that's it. That's the report for this week. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it works because I do like it. This distro, it's just so nice. But we'll see. Please, if you learn something, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.